The words is, am, and are forms of the verb to be, and are used in various ways in the English language. Here are some common uses. Is the third person singular present tense form of to be, and is used with singular subjects. 1. Example. She is a doctor. 1. She is the singular subject, and is used to indicate her current profession. Am is the first person singular present tense form of to be, and is used when referring to oneself. 1. Example. I am going to the store. 1. I is the subject, and am is used to indicate the action of going to the store. Are is the present tense form of to be, used with plural subjects and the second person singular subject, you. 1. Example. They are my friends. 1. They is a plural subject, and are indicates their relationship as friends. 2. Example. You are tall. 2. You is the second person singular subject, and are describes your height. Auxiliary verb. Is, am, and are can also be used as auxiliary verbs to create various tenses, such as the present continuous and present perfect. 1. Example. She is eating dinner. 1. Is used as an auxiliary verb to form the present continuous tense, indicating an ongoing action. 2. Example. They have been to Paris. 2. Have been is formed using the auxiliary verb, have, and, been, indicating a completed action with present relevance. Remember that the use of is, am, and are depends on the subject, tense, and context of the sentence. It's essential to understand the specific grammar rules and sentence structures to use them correctly.